guys, today we are building a Lego set of Harry Potter. You know the one where he goes into the house? Yeah. And this is the bad one. We built his father in this. And let me show you the house. This is his house. And yeah, and this is inside. And there's a little staircase of where Harry Potter's under the stairs. And you probably heard the story or watched the movie. The movie is awesome. So let me just fix the camera for a minute. And yeah.
Here we.
Let's move it a little higher. Yeah, so that's how we're going to do it. We're going to show you which piece first on the camera, and then we're going to build it, and then we're going to show you. And here's the little stairs. What?
Should I introduce myself?
Yeah, this is my
Hey
dad.
guys, I'm Harper's dad. So today what we're going to do is we're going to try to build this. We will see how far we get along, but
Yeah.
this is a short video, hopefully. So
Yeah.
let's go. You ready?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're on page 62 of the Lego Harry Potter. I'll let you go. Hold up the box.
And let me show you the box. The box is the awesomest part because you can see the details, the cake. Yeah, and they actually, Harry Potter isn't real. Let me tell you a fact. It isn't real. They just make it look like it's real, but it's not.
Okay, so can we put all the pieces, we're going to put the pieces above us so we can dig around in them.
Why can't we just put them over here, Dad?
Well, because I like to see them too, because normally what happens is Harper becomes my assistant.
Hey!
Hey, it's
Daddy.
okay, guys. I know, she tries. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Ugh. She hit me, guys. Okay, so we're going
That's
in for the attack
insane.
now. Now we're building. Oh. Harper gets a little distracted, guys. You haven't figured that out. So hold on.
My name is Mr. Evil. I'll destroy you. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay. Let's stay on. But we're gonna put it on YouTube.
What?
Oh yeah, girl.
We're putting this on YouTube. Yeah.
Yep. So
I didn't
we're
know
on
that.
page 64 now.
Daddy, can we put this on YouTube? Can we?
We will see.
Because I've seen people not do it on YouTube. I've seen people not record it on YouTube. And this is really cool.
Yeah, but you know what?
Our name
I'm a cool guy, so I
Our
need to
na-
be on YouTube.
Our name will be the Lego Builders, and then we'll go up to something awesome.
I was thinking I'm gonna be a master Lego builder.
So guys, today we are having awesome. What? The Mr. Man almost fell.
Word up, girl.
And guys, I could show you back over here.
Uh-oh, you're going for the... Oh. Harper's got some secrets over here, guys.
I got LOL. She's a mermaid. And I got this mummy. And she's actually a human. Both of them are.
This is what normally happens, guys. I end up building, and she gets distracted. And,
No, I don't.
yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
I'm showing you them. And she is one of the rare ones. I have her. And this one,
I'm sure all the dads out there understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah, all the dads.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to give a shout out to Carly. Carly, you do the best videos. I love your videos.
I don't know who Carly is, so.
Yeah, you don't. You watch. She's on YouTube.
Well, I know. I just
Carly,
don't know who she is. I'm
keep
sorry.
up the good work on YouTube. You're doing awesome.
While Harper does her little shout outs, I'll just keep building.
And my sister's here too. And give a shout out to.
Where is she at?
I'm giving a shout out to my mom, Bridget. She let me She actually got me a rock band. I can show you one of the
A rock
instruments.
band.
Okay, hold up, guys. I'm going to be.
We're gonna
right
pause
back.
it.
No, don't pause it, because then it shows you one video.
Oh,
And
well,
then it shows
okay.
you 2 videos.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Don't try to pause.
Sorry, guys.
I'll be back in just 1 minute.
Okay.
Second.
I will just keep building because that's what normally happens. And then, guys, just to let you know before Harper gets back, I normally build them and she destroys them. But
Daddy,
it's
I
okay.
can hear you.
It's okay, guys.
I hear you.
She doesn't hear me. She thinks she does. She doesn't. Whoa, whoa, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll tear you up. Oh, here she comes.
I'm back. These are all the instruments from the rock band. I know, but hear this one. Yeah, so it's actually, yeah, and I'll show you all the songs. First, we're starting with the drum, and here's the next one. It's like a beat.
It is a beat. Whoa.
And my hair's curly too. It stayed curly last night. See all this curl? And here's the 4th one. Now. This is actually like and guys, our name will be the Lego Builders of Master Rate. And so guys, those are all the 6. This one is cool. Here. Oh, I forgot to turn it on.
That sounds like kind of like a
Oh, country?
Red Hot Chili Peppers type deal.
It sounds like country.
Mm.
And they all come with these ones, and they all come with circles. See? They all come with circles, so then we can hear the music. Yeah, so guys. I'll get the next one right. This one my favorite.
Boom shakalaka. with the light on, it's kind of hard sometimes to see the parts. You just really have to kind of feel it with your fingers, guys. I mean, I am a master builder, so do not attempt this at home. Do not.
Yeah, don't do what we are doing. This is really,
Really
it might
difficult.
cut you.
It's very hard stuff, guys.
You only do this with your parents immediately.
Yes.
If you don't want them to get messed up, because then it won't go. And we did good.
See, and right now,
Now we're going to go on to this one.
whoa, are we?
Yeah. Oh, this one's not turned on.
Yeah. Whoa. A boom, boom, boom. You know, half the stuff without my help, Harper would be just. I don't know where to begin. So Harper just enjoys the ride a lot of times, guys. It's okay. You know, I try to teach her. It just doesn't work. I'm sure all you cool cats and kittens out there, to quote Carol Baskins, know what I'm talking about. Why do I feel like you're playing all like heavy metal? Oh.
And cool, guys. Have you played Mario Brothers? It's awesome.
Yeah. I don't ever get to play.
You do!
No.
You're talking about, I don't get to play. I don't get to play.
I have to build Harper's stuff a lot, guys.
Yeah, and guys, I have sing. I have lots of like.
Ugh.
I can show you.
She has too many, guys.
I have two
Way,
designs.
way too many.
I have these two. This one's all Orbeez. This one's putty.
Oh, that's a cool light. It goes in there. It's a cool light,
This
huh?
one's my favorite.
They
The
make
color
Legos.
change. And
You know, when I was growing up, they didn't
I
really
have
make Legos.
sand. I have like, beach sand.
Beach sand.
And I have this one that's
Whoa.
really stretchy, and I accidentally left it out, so I'm leaving it in the bag.
Whoa, you're letting air out. Better slow down. So like I said, guys, this is what normally happens. The master builder builds, and the other one does her thing. I don't know. Tell us what you do, Harper.
I regularly play sometimes, or watch TV, or play with my dad.
You're really good at watching TV, aren't you?
Yeah, or playing games.
Games.
My dad can't even play a game.
I-
He's scared of cats.
I get scared.
Of cats. Wait, it's just a cat. Are you like allergic to cats?
Well,
Are you allergic to Molly?
no one on the video knows who Molly is, so let's don't talk about Molly.
Molly's a cat and she loves to bite or hiss.
Hiss.
She knows all to do what a cat has to do. Run, hiss,
Run.
bite, scratch.
Yeah.
She actually bit my finger. And
It's
once,
probably because you tried to pick her up, which
No.
You shouldn't.
I was trying to pet her. Peyton was trying to distract her. I was trying to pet her.
But they don't know
but
who.
then Peyton accidentally
They don't know
got
who
scraped,
Katie is.
and then I touched her and then
You're
she
talking to
bit
the
me.
audience. They don't know who people are.
Yeah, it was up north.
Yeah.
It wasn't snowing, and then I never saw Molly again after that day. I've been keeping Molly out, shutting her out the door, like Elsa did. Kana.
Look at that house, guys. It's coming together. Look.
Can I see? Oh my gosh, that is awesome.
Isn't
Oh,
it
that's
awesome?
where all the notes come.
Okay, hey.
Where's this said?
Let me. You just do whatever you're doing over there,
I
and
do what I
I'll
want.
continue building.
I'll do what I want to do.
I do what I want to do. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Why is there so many green pieces?
Because I said there is. Allow it. Hey, hey. No touching. Stop. You don't know if it goes there.
Yes, it does. I looked at the box.
Oh. Okay. Whatever.
Oh, it actually doesn't go like that.
I know. Just wait. Can you wait?
Oh, yeah, by doing it.
You're messing up the Master Builders project right now.
You're
That's
not
not
the
good.
master builder.
Yes. Girlfriend.
Daddy, can we watch a few videos on YouTube
No,
after?
not right now.
We need to. How will we get
Well,
ideas?
let me
We're not going.
build this first without
Oh.
you interrupting.
Hey, my favorite animal is a fox, not a cat.
My favorite animal is a. What does the fox say? Ding, ding, ding,
That's
ding,
what my
ding,
favorite
ding.
is. My favorite animal is a fox. What? There's these foxes, and they laugh so hard when you tickle their belly buttons. They laugh so hard, and they laugh.
Their belly button.
There's this girl, and she has two wolves. Actually, foxes, and one's orange, and it laughs so hard when you tickle its belly. It laughs like this. It laughs so weird. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
And when you tickle it more, the sound get louder and louder and louder.
Louder and
If you
louder.
tickle it too much, it'll bite you. Right, Daddy?
Right, Harper.
It'll tickle you too much and then it'll bite you.
What does the fox say?
There's this dog, and if you play with him, he'll bite you. He bit actually my hand.
Bite you.
And it didn't feel good.
Hey. Be
This
a little
house
so
is
gentle.
coming good.
Well, yeah. Look who's building it.
Me?
The master.
Yeah, I'm building it.
All you out there know who the builder is. Here.
Me?
Stop. Let it be.
Let it not be.
Let it be.
No.
Let it be.
Let it fly, let it fly,
Let it not fly.
let it grow, let it grow, let it shimmer down and grow.
Oh, it must be from Shimmer and Shine.
No.
I'm not
it's
familiar
like a different movie.
with
It's
all
on
this
Netflix.
stuff.
It's like a movie about something.
I got you.
What do you need?
I don't need. I need you to just watch
You don't need me anything.
the master.
You shush.
Watch the master. Like I said, all you guys out there, I am the master builder.
No, I'm the master builder. I'll just shush you.
Harper thinks so, but whoa!
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that. That's pretty cool. Going up the stairs.
Oh, the fifth one has Harry Potter.
Okay, we're not to that yet.
Yeah, I know. I'll spit in your face.
Hey.
She actually has water.
Yeah, we don't do that, do we?
Yes, we do.
No.
See? She's use so much water. Look how much puddle that is. I'm a puddle.
So a big shout out to Carly because you're awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. And she spit her ear. Look at all that earwax.
Oh, that's cool. You can't see, but there's a little.
Puddle.
No. Hey.
I know.
Let's pause this for a second.
No, Daniel.
Okay, she's
Okay.
back.
Guys,
Yay!
there's just a big puddle. I definitely need to clean it.
Harper likes to make a lot of messes.
There's more water in her head. There's more water in her
Oh
head.
my, Harper, come on.
It's on my hand.
I know. Come
This
on.
will be good washing my hands.
Okay, guys and gals, I'm almost done with this. I mean, not this, just this bag. There's a lot of bags to this, so.
Yeah, I know. There's
Oh,
actually, and then we're going to do.
and look, Harper already did the flower,
Yeah, I did.
which
the
is
front.
cool. And now we need to do this one. Look, we have 2 more.
Hey,
Look,
let me do it.
do the
Let me do it.
flower right
Let
there.
me do it.
Right there.
Let me do it.
Okay, chill out, chill
Let
out.
me
And
do
then
it.
this, you get this. You get 2 green on top of that. And then 2 pink. It looks like
I wish it
2
was
pink roses.
purple.
Yeah, well, we only
I
have pink.
hate pink.
I'm sorry. Oh,
Pink is
and then we have green.
I like a different pink instead of dark, light pink. And then where do we put these 2 greens?
Hold on. So you put 3 right here. 3.
Right on.
No. See the 3? Yep. Right there.
1, 2,
2.
3.
And then on the 2 outside, yep, put that and that. And then on that 1,
In the middle, put that.
no. Put this on this.
Oh. Why doesn't that one have a pedal?
I don't know.
There's one more.
Well, if we have stuff left over, we can add to it. I mean, I don't know why we couldn't.
Their garden looks like beautiful.
It looks.
I'm gonna add
looks
some decorations
beautiful.
in the
Oh.
front
Oh.
to make it look beautiful.
Oh. She's adding, folks.
Put it. It's much prettier if you add.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Mhm.
Is it?
Do we need to put stuff right here?
No, it doesn't. Look at the box. I don't think the box says, but I could be wrong.
Oh yeah, we have to put something there. Oh Daddy, we have to. What?
What? Okay, I don't know.
Yep,
We haven't gotten that far. Oh, wait. That's what I'm doing right here.
Yeah. Great. Now I have to take,
No, what are you doing?
taking off these
Oh. Stop. Whatever
two.
you're
I'll
doing.
get all of these.
Okay, you just stop.
Oh, my arm.
Harper likes to do stuff ahead of time, which a lot of times
And
is
guys, we're going
not-
to show you all of our videos. We're going to do lots of videos. I don't know how we're going to put this on YouTube, Daddy. How?
You know how I like to do stuff, Harper?
Yeah.
Very, very carefully.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What?
Yes. Well, I like to take my time.
Oh.
You, on the other hand, don't know what that is.
Okay. Daddy,
I like to build it right,
why can't
but then
we
you like to
do-
destroy it right.
Daddy, why can't we just do a video on YouTube?
Well,
Instead of
because...
do a video on your camera.
Oh, you want to that way?
Yeah.
Well...
I want to do a video on YouTube instead of the camera.
Okay, look. These, just stick them around.
Because when I'm actually... This is just practice.
Hold on.
Stick that. Why can't we just put it... Like,
You,
take
okay,
it off
now,
and then, like...
now put them on. Yes, Harper. Yes, poo
Do we
poo.
put these up?
Put what up?
All the way... Oh, we
Look, all the way like this if you want. I can even add more. See?
I would have like those.
There you go. Look
on
at
the
that.
back.
Okay, keep going, girl. Huh? Hey, here's Patty, guys. All you cool cats and kittens. She's wearing a little tie-dye. I don't know what she's wearing today. We're making a video, Peyton, right now.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, we're doing a Harry Potter Lego video, but
gosh.
we're talking about all the other stuff in
In the
this
world.
Oh, she's wearing an odd future. Come around the camera, Peyton.
Come on, Piggy. Are you
Come
scared
on.
around the camera?
There's Peyton. Say hi, Peyton.
Hi.
There are
See,
these two.
look, there she was.
Yeah.
We gotta fix the camera now.
Now-
Peyton just kind of got in the way, but it's okay now.
Now I need to fix this back one.
Now she's left.
To the unknown.
Peyton's a little crazy, so it's okay.
What are you seeing?
Here, let me see.
I can't get it on.
Just wait, and I'll
Just
help
like-
you.
I
Look.
don't want to get on. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Blah blah blah.
Blah, blah, blah. Whoa. What? Is that a cactus? I think it is. I'm going to make that stylish. And add a few stylish things.
There we go.
Look at that.
I know, I like it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Let me put.
Now we're on bag 3. Holy cow. All
I'm
you
going to put some decorations.
all you animals out there, we're on bag 3. There's 5 bags in this one, so
Oh my gosh.
yeah. Control yourself, Harper. Control yourself. Here, let's move the people in the owl. Let's move the people in the owl. Yeah. Just don't get it mixed up with the pieces.
We actually have like a woman there.
Oh,
Her mother.
her mother's in this one? I don't think it's the mother. I think
Yes.
is it the mother?
Yeah, see? See guys?
Okay. You build like
She
you've
doesn't-
never built
'cause
before.
Look guys, she has wrinkles. The other lady didn't. Let me go show you.
Oh. We have other Legos over there. Harper got a bunch of Legos from the big man. Okay, here we go.
She actually does look like that baby.
Oh yeah?
What's that? See?
See?
Oh.
See? I told you.
What's up? Look. She has pink lips. She's red.
Here's the hair.
Look.
Do you have the body? Here's the body.
See? Pink lips. Dad, look.
Let's
Pink
go.
lips.
Pink lips.
Red lips.
Okay, here we go. Let's turn it around.
And she's going to have the same hair. Oh, Dad, they can't
What?
be that match. See, Dad, look. Her hair is darker. Dad, look. Her hair is darker than that hair.
Oh, really?
Hmm. See?
I see. I see,
They actually
said the
have two
blind man.
There's no hole in her hair. Huh. They must not like.
They must not like her. With, I don't know. I'm looking for a piece that I cannot find. Harper went away, like I said before. This is a traumatic building process for Harper. She likes to leave a lot and then come back. But it's okay. Because at the end of the day, it's all about having fun, isn't it? Yes, I know.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Oh. Don't scare us like that.
I'm going. Dad, can I get a little snack?
Nah, let's say you did and don't.
Let's say we did and we did. Dad,
No.
can I have a little one?
I mean, you know what the problem is, all you kids out there. Harper likes to say she's hungry, but she's really not hungry. And then she eats, and then she eats. And then she doesn't eat again. But see, look. Now, she goes in for the candy. And it's too early for candy. Too early.
Can I?
It's way too early for candy. No.
Candy.
No. Too early.
Fine, I'll get something else.
Okay. I don't care. It's too early for candy.
It's too early for chips. Chips.
Harper, what are you doing? We're in the building process right now, and you are not helping at all. I mean, this is an important process right now,
Daddy, it's just that after
and I don't feel the help.
today, this isn't actually a real video.
This is a real video.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
This is a...
This is practice video.
Okay. Fine,
guys,
then.
This is not a real video. It's a practice video.
I thought it was real.
No, we're doing the practice. Remember?
Well, I thought it was real in
because
my
I
eyes.
wasn't ready.
Well, why weren't you ready?
And then we'll do a real video on YouTube.
I was ready.
I want to do a real video on YouTube.
Of course you do.
Yes, I want to. Now I'm back. And look, Jay, I'm wiping my booty all over the place.
Okay. What are you doing? Ah.
Daddy, the elf's in this one.
Okay, hey, we're not to that one. So put it down.
Can we go to fourth one?
Oh.
And then we'll be done with it.
No.
And then we won't have to
We
do
have
it.
to stay the course.
But Daddy, there's just a few pieces in that one.
Okay, well, just wait.
I'm gonna go everywhere. Go with my big belly everywhere.
Oh my god. Sorry, guys. She's a little loco, if you know what I mean. Loco.
This is not
She
going-
takes after her mama.
Mama, 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 mama.
Just to let you know, not daddy.
Mama. Mama's bad. Gooder than Dada.
Gooder. Is gooder a word, all you folks out there? Gooder.
Stop.
Stop.
You're weird.
You silly goose.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the roof. Look. Kind of cool, huh? It's pretty neat, I think. Hey, look at that little area. See, this is a house. You remember